Good afternoon, everybody. I got the Dow Jones industrial chart. It's a daily chart. It got whacked. We've had a big bull run this year, and in the first few months of the new year, this is where that bull trend started. It was right there, and it got on this side with that pullback. And when we come down here now, and we go right across there, we're below that trend line right there. Not only that, when you take a look at the daily moving averages, the 10-day simple moving average on that Dow is going to be 25,747. So people know and understand that part of it. And that's what that 10-day, and we would close below it. The 20-day simple moving average, once again, that simple moving average on the 20 days, 25,788. And we are below that. We do have a bullish, though, daily chart still with this bull run that we've been getting. And that green line, don't forget, that's a 200-day moving average at 25,108. So when we broke out above it, we had been in a bear run, but this bull run, that white line is a 50-day simple moving average. And what's bullish about that, that's at 25,297. And it's crossed above that 200-day moving average, and it did. And we're going to have support. We sold off when we were up here within the beginning of that bull run. We pulled back. We tested right there, that 200-day moving average. We made a lower high, and then we had 1, 2, 3, 4 down days in a row and whatnot. So that's exactly where we're at with that Dow, but we got support when they come down and test those moving averages and whatnot. We ran a little bit too far, too fast. The recession word is everywhere. Inverted yield curve is everywhere. Slow down global economy is everywhere. And that never even left. They rallied this all the way up, and now they got a chance to get out. At 2019, the 2019 Dow Jones Industrial Average was the highs over here, lower top reversal. And so we're headed down to test these support levels with the 50-day and the 200-day simple moving average. Here we have the weekly chart, 10-week moving average, very bullish, 25,435. The cross above the 50 and the 40-week moving averages. 50-week moving average, 25,064. Extremely strong support on this neckline. This is what a bull trend looks like versus the opposite way with 10-week going down lower. And that's what a bear trend was like in 2018. Now we've come all the way up, and we've got a completely different chart pattern recognition between the bulls and the bears, and we're at a critical support level there on the weekly, and we're closing below these daily moving averages. And the 50-day simple moving average is that white line right there. So let me blow that up for you real quick. One thing you want to be aware of, though, when these dailies happen, they run faster than the weekly chart, naturally so. So it's not good for a daily chart recognition because we close below the 20 and the 10. The blue line's a 40-day simple moving average, and the 50-day simple moving average will be at 25,297. That's where it'll get most of the support level. Once again, they got the recession, they got the inverted yield curve, they've got a global economic slowdown, they got all kinds of stuff that's out there as it was last year. It never went away. It's just that this is the first few months of 2019. We're closing below daily moving averages on that Dow Jones.